Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: flipping items for profit, thrift store and garage sale finds. If you are interested in making money by finding hidden gems at thrift stores and garage sales and selling them for a profit, you are in the right place. In this video, we will share valuable insights and strategies for flipping items for profit. So let's get started. Introduction to flipping items for profit. Flipping items for profit is the art of buying items at a low cost and selling them for a high price to make a profit. It's a popular side hustle that can be done part-time or even turned into a full-time business. Thrift stores and garage sales are great places to find undervalued items that have the potential to be sold at a higher price. Research and knowledge. Before diving into flipping items, it's crucial to do your research and gain knowledge about the market. Learn about popular and in-demand items, their average selling price, and the platform where you can sell them. Develop an understanding of the market trends and what items are likely to fetch a higher profit. Thrift store shopping tips. When visiting thrift store, there are several tips that can help you find valuable items. Arrive early to have the first pick, check for any sales or discounts, and explore different sections of the store. Look for unique or vintage items, branded clothing, electronics, furniture, and collectibles that can be resold at a higher price. Garage sale strategies. Garage sale can be treasure troves for finding hidden gems. Plan your route in advance to cover multiple sales in one day. Negotiate prices with sellers to get the best deal, and don't be afraid to ask questions about the history or value of the items. Look for items like furniture, tools, kitchen appliances, and toys that have good resale potential. Assessing item value and condition. When flipping items, it's essential to assess the value and condition of each item you come across. Look for signs of quality, authenticity, and functionality. Research the item online to determine its market value. Consider factors such as brand reputation, rarity, age, and overall demand. Cleaning and repairing. Once you have purchased your thrift store or garage sale find, it's time to clean and repair them if necessary. Clean items thoroughly, remove any stains or dirt, and fix minor damages. Presenting items in the best possible condition increases their perceived value and chances of selling them for a higher price. Selling platforms and pricing. Choosing the right selling platform is crucial for successfully flipping items. Popular platforms include online marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and local classifieds. Research the platform fees, audience demographics, and competition to determine the best platform for each item. Price your items competitively based on market research and condition of the item. Marketing and listing optimization. To attract potential buyers, invest time in marketing and optimizing your listings. Take high quality photographs and showcase the item's features and condition. Write detailed and compelling descriptions that highlight the item's unique selling points. Use keywords and relevant tags to improve your listing's visibility in search results. Customer service and feedback. Providing excellent customer service is key to building a positive reputation and repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, package items securely, and ship them in a timely manner. Encourage buyers to leave feedback, as positive reviews can enhance your credibility and attract more customers. Congratulations, you have gained valuable insights and strategies for flipping items for profit from thrift stores and garage sales. Remember, research and gain knowledge, follow thrift store shopping tips, employ garage sale strategies, assess items, value and condition, clean and repair items, choose the right selling platform, optimize your listing, and provide excellent customer service. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.